It's a great honor to be here today among representatives of government entities, law enforcement, and the private sector. This workshop brings together key stakeholders under one roof to address a common goal: protecting the Egyptian market from counterfeit goods. International companies and brand owners from different industries are participating in this event to share knowledge and experience with the law enforcement authorities, as well as technical tools that would allow them to identify and detect any counterfeiting activities. The workshop focuses on building awareness around the importance of IP rights and the threat of counterfeit goods. It's worth mentioning as well that Egypt, with its large population and strategic location, plays a crucial and central role in regional and global trade. Protecting the Egyptian market is not just about enforcing laws, it's about creating a healthy environment for consumers, fostering innovation, and encouraging investment. The responsibility of protecting IP requires joint efforts from both private and public sectors. It would send a strong message that protecting IP rights is now a national priority. I would like to thank all the participated authorities from the law enforcement and the organizers, as well as our clients from the United States, Europe, and Japan. Thank you for making this event successful.